According to earlier leaks, the Xiaomi Mi 8 will have an in-screen fingerprint scanner as well as a 3D face unlocking system. The phone is also said to have a translucent back plus a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080 and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 845 and its base model should have 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. According to some reports, Xiaomi will also release an 8 GB RAM variant for the Mi 8. The phone has a dual camera at the back with a configuration of 20MP plus 16MP while the front camera will be a 16MP sensor. The phone will ship with Android 8.1 Oreo and the MIUI 10 will run alongside it. The phone will have a 3,300 mAh battery capacity and is said to be around 7.8 mm thick. Related live video leak displays intriguing translucent back for the Xiaomi Mi 8. Specifications leak promises 16MP plus 20MP rear camera. Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0 Plus has all the features that QC 4.0 accompanies with, but there are some improvements added. Quick Charge 4.0 Plus is nearly 3 degrees cooler, up 30% more efficient, and 15% faster. As for the release date of the Mi 8, that is going to be May 31st.